Welcome CSC230 for fall 2021. I'm looking at Replit.com, and we've been using Gorm IDE, and we got a message that there was some kind of hack that happened with them, and I looked at using Replit for web development. I've never used it for web development before. I've only used it for Python, and we use it in the CSC103 class. We've used it in CSC121 for Python, and I really like Replit, but I've never used it for web development, so I was thinking we might have to switch to this if we had a problem with Gorm. Now, Gorm's back, and it's working fine, but I was messing around in Replit, and I really like it. I think it works really nice and fast and easy, and it might be a better option, and since it's early in the semester, we might want to try it out. So I'm going to record this video even if we don't end up doing it. I'll just show you how to create an account and how to get it set up. So I'm going to sign up. I'll make a new account because I've been using a different email, and I use the same password for all my accounts. And there should be a verify email. I'm going to close up this. I'm going to close up this, and I'm going to come back to this in just a second. Let me go verify my email. And here's my email. And all you have to do is just click on this link, I think, to complete the verification. And it looks okay. So I'll close up the other one I had, and I'll use this. I'll get it out of my email. And the easiest thing to do when you get in here under your account is just go over here to plus and create a new Repel. It's called Repel. So I'm going to go to new Repel. And again, you may already have an account through Python that you've used in the past, but this is just if you don't have an account yet. So I'm going to go in here and create a new Repel, and I'm going to look for HTML, CSS, JavaScript right here. And title, just right away put in CSC230 W1. That's it, lowercase, just like we did when we were using Gorm. We'll use that as the title of our Repel, and in there we could treat it just like a container when we're in there. So we're going to do that first, and then create Repel. And then basically you would just share this with me. If you would send this with me, I could get into your account. I could get into, that's your username, and I could get in and see everything. So you don't have to send anything to me. Now, a couple things about Replit. If you haven't been in here for a while, you could go into your settings over here. You basically have a pane here that goes away. This will disappear, and you have your code view, you have your preview, and you have a console down here that we use. We're not going to use right now, so you can kind of close that up, and this will be your preview. And not only that, you could have a preview here and then open it up in a new tab. It works really nice. And if you like a dark view, you could go in here to settings and change it to dark. You could make the indent size. I would recommend making the indent size 4, so there's a larger indent. And make sure code intelligence is enabled and soft wrap is on, and you could put indent type on tabs. Indent size 4 is fine. And if you needed to make it any bigger, I think they have a font size. I'll make it large since I'm recording videos and stuff, so I'll do that right now. And that's it. And then you could just, you don't have to hit save or anything down here. Just kind of close it up. Just click on the settings again. So this is in dark mode right now, and basically you just hit run, and then it shows a preview here. Now, this is the index page. This is the default index page that they give you in this Replit right now. Now, we can still make new folders just like we did in Gorm. We could just make an EX1 folder, an EX2, an EX3, whatever we're going to do. And actually, the next exercise is going to be EX4. So let me stop here, and I'll start a new video for EX4, and we'll start that from scratch. So once you're set up here, you're good.